Hi guys, it's the girls from Tasty Ten Lisbon, and today we are taking you to the best fries spot in Lisbon. Potato Project offers a great vibe, a wide menu selection and student-friendly prices. We decided to go for piri-piri fries and the guacamole. Prices depend on the portion size and range from 5 to 7 euros.
Girls, what did we think of the fries?
So, to be honest, for me it was 10 out of 10 because the portion were really good and were really big also. So for 5 euros it was totally worth it. It's perfect.
For me it was very nice. The piri-piri was spicy like expected.
Yeah,
that's true. And the guacamole was very nice. But they had coriander in it. It was not on the card, but it's my very simple problem. So I would give 8 out of 10.
I also think the fries was extremely good. You can taste that it's very good quality. But only minor thing, if you're not a spicy girl or person or a boy, whatever, just make sure to ask them if the sauces are spicy so that you don't choose the wrong sauce. So, but yeah, it was incredible. So 9 out of 10 for me.
That's all we have for you today. Let us know in the comments if you've tried Potato Project and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!